I'm Kelly from Fujifilm Business Innovation. In this video, I will show you how to change the drum cartridge on the Revoria Press E1100 series. To start, open up the front cover, locate the handle that has the number 2 on it and unlock. Locate the compartment above and unlock the drum cartridge and remove the drum cartridge till you reveal the white handle. Line up your new drum cartridge and slide it in, being sure to lock it back into place and lock handle number 2 again. Close the cover. That's how you replace the drum cartridge on the Revoria Press E1100 series. Thank you for watching.